Created as a companion and to complement the Series V12, the Model 30 12ths Precision Turntable enjoys all of the features associated with the Model 30 halves Precision Turntable. The differences are merely ones of scale. The suspension now provides 60 purpose molded O-rings supporting the sub-chassis, which has been increased in thickness by some 16%, on 120 strands of rubber. The main chassis has received similar attention, but in this case the thickness has been increased by 19%. Small differences but necessary to afford the increased rigidity required to ensure acoustic neutrality. A larger version of our well-known Model 32, it will accept 9, 10 and 12-inch arms but is especially directed at the exciting Series V12. This offers performance 27% better than a 9-inch arm in respect of angular error distortion. Its immaculate construction and finish stem from facilities and uncompromising quality control which have made the name SME a byword for engineering excellence. Tonearm pairing. SME have built pickup arms since 1959, 60 years, and the design and engineering experience gained has been applied to the Model 30 12ths. A precision turntable created to complement the SME Series V, regarded by many as the best pickup arm in the world. Dowels ensure positional accuracy so that if more than one arm is in use, the arm mounting plinth can be quickly interchanged. Designed to complement the Series V12 tonearm suspension, no sonic footprint, the sub-chassis is hung on 120 strands of rubber in the form of 60 purpose molded O-rings. An ingenious method of anchorage allows them to be removed or replaced instantly. Damping. Sub-chassis motion is disciplined by 4 fluid dampers, one in each of the supporting columns. These eliminate overshoot and give almost zero Q recovery. The isolation needed to prevent acoustic feedback is bridged by the resistive coupling of the damping fluid, through which unwanted reacted energy is conducted away to the ground. This function is adjustable through trimmers which can be used in conjunction with a gauge to give recommended settings or varied to suit individual conditions. Platter. 330 mm, 13-inch, diameter, weighing 7.5 kilograms, 17 pounds. The face is machined with a fine scroll found to interface better than a plain surface. A substantial reflex clamp ensures maximum contact with the platter even when severe record warp is present. The sub-chassis/arm mounting board interface is extensionally damped and the mounting board is reversible to allow mounting of 9-inch pickup arms when necessary. Motor. The turntable is driven by a 3-phase, brushless outrunner motor with 8-pole neodymium magnets and 3 integrated Hall effect sensors, and virtually vibrationless by reason of its 2.5 kilograms, 5.5 pounds weight, as well as being isolated on urethane mounts that are adjustable for accurate belt positioning. Speed control. The electronic controller uses a high-performance microprocessor, optimized for motor control. Closed-loop speed control is implemented using a proportional plus integral (PI) algorithm. Fine-pitch speed adjustment allows increments/decrements of plus or minus 0.01% of selected speed. Speed ranges: 33.3, 45 and 78 rpm. Dimensions. Weight. Dimensions: 530 by 400 by 232 mm. Net weight: 53.5 kilograms/118 pounds. Shipping weight: 79.5 kilograms/175 pounds. Power. Mains voltages available are 90-110V, 105-125V and 220-240V 50/60 Hz. Please specify when ordering.